This right here is the new Honor 400, and honestly, it's one of the most exciting phones I've used this year. Apart from its outstanding 200 megapixel crystal clear AI photography setup, this smartphone offers something genuinely innovative, an AI feature that turns your still images into animated clips. Just take a photo, tap once, and watch it come alive with movement. This phone showcases an ultra-slim design, houses a powerful 5,300 mAh battery for endless usage, and delivers a screen brightness of 5,000 nits, guaranteeing sharp clarity even under harsh sunlight. The best part? This whole experience comes at just €399. It provides features that comparable Samsung models simply can't deliver at this cost. Having used it as my primary phone for an entire month, I'm excited to explain precisely why the Honor 400 represents a perfect blend of smart engineering, solid performance, and advanced AI innovation. Let me start from square one. Opening the box revealed the gorgeous desert gold color that shines like real metal. Inside, you'll find the phone itself, a USB-C cable for charging, and a tool for removing the SIM card. Simple, clean presentation without extra junk or wasteful packaging. What catches your attention right away? The razor-thin build. This device nearly disappears in your pocket while still feeling substantial when you hold it. At only 7.3 millimeters thick and 184 grams in weight, it's easy on your hands during long sessions, yet stylish enough to turn heads. You enjoy that high-end luxury look without paying luxury prices. The camera arrangement features a 50 megapixel selfie lens, 12 megapixel wide-angle camera, and that amazing 200 megapixel main sensor. The zoom range? Truly outstanding, covering 1x through 30x with surprisingly sharp results. Imagine security camera precision without blurry, distorted images. This specific function completely blew my mind. It's called AI Image to Video, created through collaboration with Google Cloud, and it turns any picture into a short moving clip. I snapped a photo of my buddy walking in the park and transformed it into an epic slow-motion scene. Sorry to embarrass him, but the outcome was incredible. Living in an area with brutal sunshine, I love the 5,000 nit super bright AMOLED display that handles tough lighting without breaking a sweat. The 6.55-inch screen with 120 Hz smoothness and full edge coverage makes watching videos pure eye candy. What about those rushed mornings when you skip charging overnight? Plug in this phone while you get dressed, thanks to 66-watt super fast charging, and you're good to go all day long. The 5,300 mAh power cell uses cutting-edge silicon carbon engineering for better lifespan. The results truly impressed me. Regarding performance, the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chip teams up with 12 GB memory and 512 GB storage space. Whether gaming, editing photos, or juggling multiple apps simultaneously, everything runs buttery smooth. Magic OS 9.0 brings tons of AI tools, language translation, writing help, fake content detection, like having a smart digital assistant in your pocket. You can choose from 4 beautiful finishes: desert gold, midnight black, meteor silver, and tidal blue. Plus, it includes IP65/66 protection against dust and water damage, along with 5-star drop resistance rating, style combined with toughness. Here's my honest opinion: €399 for amazing photography, image to video magic, super quick charging, and impressive durability. This goes beyond great value. It shakes up the whole mid-tier phone market. Samsung, I hope you're taking notes. If you're thinking about upgrading your smartphone, definitely put the Honor 400 on your shortlist. This device actually lives up to all the hype. Drop a comment if you want camera comparisons, or hit that like button if this detailed review helped you out. See you in the next one.